So hi everyone, and once again welcome to the YouTube channel of Get Set Law by IMS. My name is Siddhant Singh, and on this last 30 days or maybe last few days, not exactly 30 days before CLAT 2025, there is a question which is there in the mind that what should be my average mock score. अब मैं लास्ट लेग ऑफ एग्जाम में पहुंच गया हूं, कुछ दिन बचे, मेरा एवरेज मॉक स्कोर क्या होना चाहिए. सो यही वीडियो आप सब लोग के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट बन जाता है. और अगर आप लोग को लगता है कि ये वीडियो और इसमें दी गई टिप्स बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है तो प्लीज़ ड्रॉप योर कमेंट्स इनटू द कमेंट सेक्शन, बिकॉज यू ड्रॉप अ कमेंट, वी लाइक योर कमेंट एंड देन वी फील मोटिवेटेड. ओके, सो चलिए इस वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं गाइस. फॉर लाइक एवरी टाइम आई हैव केप्ट certain things which we need to know before this particular video कि हमें exactly इस वीडियो में क्या मिलने वाला है. तो first and the foremost thing which is there on the screen is that what to check. So before I want to know that what is the average mock score as on today in the last month of October or the last few days of October and in the month of November, what you exactly need to check is first is you need to check the scores of your previous 10 mocks. Now one thing to note by all the student is, were you guys actually consistent enough in your previous 10 mocks or not. तो ये previous 10 mocks वो जो आपके weekly एक mock होते हैं ना, उन mocks की मैं ये बात कर रहा हूँ. I am not talking about the mocks you have been giving at your home as an extra or additional mock which I have told you earlier. This has to be your fresh mocks. So like if in a week you have given 2 fresh mocks or 3 fresh mocks, then it is okay. But as a revisionary mock you have given and you have scored something better, those mocks I am not taking into consideration right now. Like in the previous 2.5 months, whatever the mocks I have given, or maybe in the last 1 month I have given the mocks, उन 10 mock का आपका score you need to consider. With this score you need to do a proper check that have you actually done a proper analysis of your mock or not. So what exactly this proper analysis is about, I'll just make you understand. पिछले 10 mock को आपने pick किया. In mocks में you must have analyzed that how many questions are correct, how many questions are wrong, then what are the what is my total attempts in these questions. These are the analysis which you have been doing. That is only just one part of the analysis. Now you need to check that उन mock में अगर आपने ये किया है तो ही ये video, this video is beneficial for you if you have done this analysis. If you have not done it, then you have to do it for the upcoming mocks, क्योंकि पिछले 10 mocks का analysis करना is very difficult अभी as on today. पिछले 2-3 mock का analysis कर सकते हो but 10 mock का नहीं कर पाओगे. So you can do this habit for the ongoing mocks. So what is that analysis part is, you need to either check current what is the correct or incorrect and the total attempt, that is okay. But the next analysis part which you need to check is कि what are the type of questions I am consistently getting wrong. मेरे लगातार किस टाइप के questions गलत हो रहे हैं. Majorly focusing on English, legal, logical. In these 3 sections you need to identify. There might be a situation that there is only one type of question you are getting consistently wrong, then only you will be able to practice. But if there is no such pattern ना, तो फिर आपको कोई आइडेंटिफाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है इस पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन में. रीजन बीइंग क्योंकि कभी कभी किसी मॉक में एक टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन गड़बड़ हो गया, but it is not necessarily that conceptual clarity you don't have. Okay, so that is not a basis, so you don't have to check that. But what you have to check is you have to take a proper analysis of the consistent mistake which you have been seeing in your mocks, that only, and then work on to that. Okay, so that is one thing which you need to do in your proper, and if you have done it then it is beneficial. Then what were the total negatives in your last 10 mocks? So at times it has been happening that I'm actually getting 70, 75 marks or 80 marks if I see the correct ones. You just check it. आपके साथ भी ऐसा हो रहा होगा. A lot of students have come up to me and said कि सर मेरे ना करेक्ट में मार्क्स आ रहे हैं 65-70, बट नेगेटिव्स इतने ज़्यादा है कि वो 40 तक आ जाता है. That means you are actually touching 65-70 as on today. But because of your wrong selection of your options and doing some negatives out of it, then उस वजह से आपके साथ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है और आपका स्कोर ड्रॉप हो रहा है. So check onto those negatives. You are actually having more negatives over there. If it is the case, then guys you are getting the score but इसकी वजह से गड़बड़ हो रही है, तो you need to check it right now. And what is your accuracy percentage? So in the month of last part of October and November, your accuracy should reach 85 to 90% now, and the total attempts has to be near about 108 to 110 plus. This has to be your attempts. That means now there is no scope of leaving current affairs altogether, but now there is a scope of having at least 15 to 18 questions to be attempted in your current affairs section. That has to be checked. If it is the case, then the average mock score as on today, जब आप ये वीडियो देख रहे होगे, it has to be 92 plus. If your average score, now I'm not talking about only score of one mock, I'm talking about the average of 10 mocks. If you are not going beyond the limit, आप 90 के ऊपर की लिमिट में अगर अभी तक भी नहीं गए हो, तो my silence is something which will say everything. Okay, so now sir, आप चुप रहोगे, if you will remain silent, how we'll cope up with this? आप हमें बीच में छोड़ जाओगे क्या? नहीं, मैं आपको छोड़ूंगा नहीं, इसलिए हम लोग लगातार आप लोग के लिए गेट सेट लॉ के यूट्यूब चैनल पे वीडियोस जा रहे हैं. इफ यू आर देयर फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन अ यूट्यूब चैनल, सो गाइस क्या करना है? सब्सक्राइब करना है, वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करना है, सो दैट इट रीच टू दी क्राउड, जो डेडिकेटेड क्राउड इस वीडियो को देखना चाहता है. नाउ कमिंग टू द पार्ट कि सर आप चुप मत रहिए, हमें बताइए कि हाउ टू इम्प्रूव दैट. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज वर्क ऑन योर वीकर सेक्शंस. तो ये तभी वर्क कर पाओगे जब आइडेंटिफाई किया होगा एनालिसिस करके. इफ यू वुड हैव done the analysis part of your, not the analytical part, the analysis part of your mock, then definitely you must have identified this is my weaker section. But weaker section is not only the one जिसमें मेरे marks कम आ रहे. Weaker section are the ones where I don't have the conceptual clarity. There might be a QT concept you don't know. There might be a LR का concept you are not knowing it. Check the conceptual clarity if you don't have. You have a reading problem with some type of psychology based paper, psychology based passages. Check कि if you don't have the conceptual clarity, that is a weaker section because आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हो. उस पर काम करिए. देन फोकस ऑन 92 मार्क्स. सर पेपर इज ऑफ 120 मार्क्स, आप कह रहे हो 92 मार्क्स. यस, यही स्कोरिंग सेक्शन है, यही आपको स्केल अप करने में हेल्प करेंगे. वो कौन से? तो इन सबका अगर टोटल करोगे, इंग्लिश 24 मार्क्स का आता है, LRS 24 मार्क्स, लीगल एप्टीट्यूड 32 मार्क्स एंड क्वांट 12 मार्क्स. आई हैव टेकन दी एवरेज पार्ट. ये 30-34 हो सकता है, 10-14 हो सकता है, प्लस माइनस 2 ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. बट इन सबका टोटल करोगे 92 मार्क्स का पेपर होता है इन 4 सेक्शन का. Current affairs is above onto this. So if I have asked you कि you have to score more than 90, इसमें से 90 निकालने की कोशिश करो, तो सर 90 out of 92 नहीं, 90 out of 120 ही होना चाहिए. But what my main purpose is, grab a lot of marks onto this and my priority area is this section. इस section पे मेरा focus होना चाहिए. And lot of students are not attempting it. At least start with one case slate. In the next 40 days, agar one case slate, like 6 questions getting 4 correct, 5 correct, you will be able to score good marks onto this. Then current affairs is over and above onto that. So it's like cherry on the cake ban jayega, sone pe suhaga. Yes. So that is what you need to focus on, the 92 mark section. तो अगर मैं इंग्लिश में मेरी एक्यूरेसी 90% के हिसाब से, if I'm able to score 20 marks, in LR I'm able to score 20 marks, I'm able to score 30 marks, just add on, this is 40, 70, and इसमें अगर I'm able to get it, तो near about out of 92 I'm somewhere near about 80 plus के आसपास I'm there. तो maybe LA में you get more score, or maybe in English you are able to get 22, 21, in LR also. So these are the areas which will help you to score 80 plus out of 92, and then you will have 12 to 15 marks from your current affairs on the main day of the paper and also in your mocks. तो डेफिनेटली आपका स्कोर यहाँ पे अगर 12 और ऐड हो जाता है तो you will going to get 92, which was my target in the previous slide. That is what I mentioned. 92 plus has to be your score as on today. So focus on to these areas. That is super important to scale up your score. Current affairs will help you, but check 92 में से कितना स्कोर बन रहा है. That will help you to have a proper average mock score. And then the proper analysis part, that is superly important. Now in this analysis, correct, wrong, incorrect attempt side, वो हो गया. That is you are already doing in your paper and you are checking it. But what is the analysis is the type of questions I'm getting wrong. That is one thing. If you are already getting a good rank right now, like in top 15, top 20 of your institute, but the base have to be like near about 1,000-1,500 students are appearing for mock, or usme if you are getting 10-15 rank, then can be considered as a good rank. That is one thing. Now you must also be having certain difficulty in analysis part. So the other thing which you have to analyze it, this is for the students who are getting good ranks but getting low scores. You need to just check that particular section in which there is a topper. किसी ने एकदम ही बेंचमार्क हासिल कर लिया कि उसके 32 आउट ऑफ 32 आ गए लीगल में, तो यू जस्ट नीड टू गो टू योर मेंटर, योर टीचर, योर एजुकेटर, उनसे जाके पूछना इस मॉक में 32 आ भी सकते थे कि नहीं. दैट्स द थिंग एंड एनालिसिस यू हैव टू डू, बिकॉज यू गॉट ओनली 20-25 मार्क्स इन लीगल बट देयर इज समवन हु स्कोरिंग 32. व्हाट इज दैट गैप बिटवीन यू एंड दैट पर्सन, ये चेक करो. अगर आपने चेक कर लिया, दैट मीन्स यू हैव डन अ प्रॉपर एनालिसिस. सो यू डोंट हैव टू चेक योर just rank. Okay, I'm getting 20 rank, I'm getting 70 marks. No, check the sectional marks with the standard ones जिनके ज़्यादा marks आए. If, like the analysis, what I'm saying is, if there is someone who in English he is getting 22 and in the same paper you are getting 15. Now why there is a gap of 7? Go to your teacher, mentor, ask them why there is a gap of 7 marks, why I am not able to get it. So that teacher will either help you why you are lagging or tell you that this person must have cheated and scored on the better way. ऑनलाइन टेस्ट दिया होगा यार, चीटिंग हो गई होगी, घर से बैठ के पेपर दे दिया होगा और आप इसके भरोसे बैठे हो कि यार इसके ज़्यादा आगे मेरे क्यों नहीं आए. दिस इज समथिंग विच इज एक्चुअली हैज़ टू बी देयर फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स व्हाइल दे आर डूइंग द एनालिसिस पार्ट. और अगर आप लोगों ने एनालिसिस अच्छे से कर लिया गाइस, तो आप डेफिनेटली 90+, 92+ स्कोर करके आ जाओगे. और अगर आप लोग को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, आपने एंड तक देखा, तो गाइस प्लीज 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 go to our social media handles and thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. सिद्धांत सर signing off और जल्दी मुलाकात होगी ऐसे डिटेल वीडियोस के लिए. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.